Assalamu alaikum. Today this class will be about functions. So function is usually written as something like f of x is equal to 2x minus 4. It's like a formula, like an equation in which uh, the value of x is substituted and you find the answer. It can be substituted with any number. For example, if the question says what if the what is the function of x if let's say x is equal to 3, or the question can be like f of x is 2x minus 4, what is the function of 2? So what you can see is x is substituted by 2 over here, so that means in all of the equation, in the formula as well, we'll substitute x wherever it is found. So in this case the answer should be 2, x is substituted by 2, 2 times 2 minus 4. What do we get? 2 times 2 uh, is 4, and 4 minus 4, that is 0. So that means the answer in this case should be 2 to the 4, 4 minus 4, which is equal to 0. So it's just that you replace the x with the number for which you have to find the answer. Function is something like, it's like a machine, it's like a formula, like an operation in which you have to find the output number when you're given a certain input number. The input number is simply substituted by x and you find an answer. So again, if the question is that function of x is 2x minus 4, then find f of minus 2. What you'll have to do is simply replace x with minus 2 again. So here as well you will replace x with minus 2. So 2 times minus 2, you get whatever. Okay, and the rest is put in as it was. Okay, so it is 2 times minus 2 is minus 4, and that minus 4 comes along. Minus 4 is minus 8. So if function of x is 2x minus 4, function of minus 2 will therefore be minus 8. Okay, sometimes the question may come like uh, if function of x is 2x minus 4 and function of x is 3. Now find x. What is x now? If the question is something like that, then what you have to do is, obviously here you can see function of x is this, and function of x is also this. That means these both are equal, so we can equate this with this, like 2x minus 4 is also function of x and 3 is also function of x, so you can equate these, and that means the equation will become 2x minus 4 equals 3. So in this case we will substitute, so it will be like 2x minus 4 equals 3, and then you'll find x. Minus 4 is moving from left to right, and it will become plus 4, and we are left with 2 on the left side. We divide this by 2 and this by this side, that side by 2 as well. So here we are only left with x, so answer will be 3 plus 4 over 2, that is 7 over 2. and this can be written as 3.5 as well if you divide it, and also like 3 1 by 2. Okay, if the question is about inverse functions, then there is an easier method which I will show you. It's not usually like not shown at schools or elsewhere. For example, if you have a question that function of x is equal to, let's say, 5x minus 4, and you have to find function inverse, like the inverse function of x. How to find that now? What you have to do is now simply replace the x with the symbol f of x. I'll show you how. So the first step for this will be, what you'll do is replace this x with this whole thing, and then put a symbol of raised to power minus 1 with f of x. Okay, so that means the first step will be this, that x is being replaced, x will take the place of f of x, and 5x will become 5 bracket, as already I said, that f of x will come here, it will take the place of x, and x take the place of this f of x thingy. Now f of x, once it replaces, will have this symbol of raised to power minus 1 as well. Now minus 4 was there, this one, so it's put like it was. Next step is, while we are finding function inverse of x, now the next step is make f inverse of x the subject, and you'll get the answer. So x minus 4 is on the right side of equal symbol, so when it goes to the left it becomes plus 4, and you're left with 5 times function inverse of x. And then the next step will be x plus 4 as it was written. Now it's simple, the right side is being multiplied by 5, so if you divide this side by 5 and that side by 5 as well, so this side is cancelled with 5, and 5 will go to the left side, and x plus 4 will be divided by it, and we are only left with f inverse of x on the right, and we are done. That's the simplest way to find inverse function of x. If you find this way easier, so please do let me know in the comments below, and if you want more stuff like this and want to know easy ways, different topics in maths and calculations, do let me know. And to stay tuned, click the subscribe button and also the bell icon, so you can keep yourself updated. Thank you.